Hello, beautiful. So welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I'm Aria, and today I have a transmission with the Pleiades for you, a light language transmission. So we're really going to flow through and see what messages, what assistance that they may have for us today. So we're going to drop in by just taking a few deep breaths. Receiving however feels best for you, trusting that you will receive exactly what is meant for you and your soul today. It's really a strengthening of our hearts. Amu'u kaira kana ua satira kia la kietatua nakuam andehir kia shatir kia mu'u aya sakaya tiana tiana sakaya shutuku sapayata kia na kia uhu. Just really breathing it in. Observing what you are experiencing. Really helping us in stabilizing so that we may hold these frequencies no matter where we go. Our soul's frequencies, the frequencies of love, of abundance, of truth, of wildness, of peace, of acceptance, of expression. What is your soul's essence? The message really coming through is they're letting us know that if you are someone that may fear embracing your gifts and who you are, if you're someone that is feeling like you cannot fully express or be authentic around others, kia nakua, this is the transmission for you. Ua satira kaina kia satatua ra kia takaya satia nakua. Recognizing that we do truly need what you have to offer, your essence, your frequency. And be a satyara kana ua satyara. Ianakia sato ua shatatianakia. Be with that part of you that shies away. Be with that part of you that tries to dim. Really offering song, which could be an array of many things. This could be offering your voice. This could be offering your love, your touch, your movement, your breath. To these moments. This is what the strengthening is, the stabilizing is, this devotion becomes. Ia Shakira kia satu ua satiana kia taku arhia kiam muhua satakia kia satatua na ua full acceptance of who you are. Some may say that this is courageous, this is brave to actually hold these frequencies and carry them out into the world. But it is who you are that is your purpose. So thank you. May you receive these final blessings. Thank you, thank you, thank you to our Pleiadean families of light. Thank you to each and every one of you, all the souls that are tuning into this transmission at this time. There is no coincidence. We're meant to receive this. I pray that you are enjoying the ambiance here as much as I am. That you could smell, just tune into this energy of the sage, the California sage, the black sage. Akia Nakiasa, may it cleanse you at this time. Please do comment down below what you experienced, anything that you would like to share with others. I would love to read them and really just send so much more love and reflect with you all. We are all divine reflections and divine reminders for one another. Please do like the video and subscribe if you aren't already. I will see you all in another video.